In today's video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process how to qualify for Pyth Network airdrop. There is no clear information if Pyth Network is going to have an airdrop, but if you go down to their Twitter feed, there are some hints being thrown around that you can qualify for airdrop if you stake Pyth Network. A lot of you might say, come on, Dice, another airdrop video for real? There are a lot of videos floating around for airdrops. Well, all I can say on top of that is that airdrops can be very lucrative and very profitable if done on time and done correctly. They require a minimal amount of time to perform, and majority of time they are free to do. Sometimes they do require more time and more capital in order to participate, but I think they are well worth it. So with that being said, anything I say here is not financial advice. I am just documenting my journey in the crypto airdrops. Now, there are a lot of people that actually are not willing to do any kind of work, but they want free money. Let me tell you something. There is no such a thing as free money these days. You have to at least put some effort into something in order to gain some profits from it. Now, what is Pyth Network and what is required in order to participate in this airdrop? Well, to sum it up, Pyth Network is basically an oracle such as Chainlink. If you're familiar with Chainlink, Pyth Network is almost the exact copy with a smaller market cap, but with more partnerships. I do have to say that I am a holder of Pyth Network. I am a holder of this token when it came out, and I do believe this project can actually have some huge upside in the upcoming years. But let's put that aside. So what is exactly required in order to participate? First off, we're going to need a Phantom wallet. Now, Phantom wallet is most commonly used on Solana blockchain and is one of the best wallets for Solana blockchains. So all you'll do is come down here and click on download, choose on Chrome, and add it to your extension. Now, when you add your wallet to extension, basically it's going to look something like this, or you can pin it, and now you have a Phantom wallet. Second step is to fund your Solana wallet with some Solana, a little bit just for gas fees, and we need some Pyth token. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I do have Pyth token on a hardware wallet, which I'm going to be transferring to Phantom wallet so I can use it in order to stake it. But if you're someone that does not have any Pyth Network tokens and you're wondering where to get it, you can come to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko and click here on Pyth Network, click on Markets, and basically it'll give you all the exchanges where you can buy Pyth Network, where you can buy the actual token from. Option 2 to obtain some Pyth Network tokens is through your actual Phantom wallet. Let's say you do have some Solana. Let's say you have $100 worth of Solana. You can deposit your Solana and you can come down here on the arrows and you can switch that Solana into Pyth. So all you do is type in Pyth Network here, and you're going to switch, let's say, max amount or whatever you have in your wallet or whatever your desired amount is, preview order, and you can swap from Solana to Pyth. That's your second option if you don't have access to exchanges. Since I already have some Solana here, I'm going to fund my wallet with Pyth token from exterior wallet, actually my cold storage wallet. So let me do that, and once that is in, we'll proceed with the steps. I have funded with my wallet with Pyth Network tokens. I sent about 504 tokens. I'm trying to stake 500 tokens. Now, there is no actual amount that is clarified how much you need to stake in order to qualify for this upcoming airdrop. So I'm staking roughly about $185, and I think that's a good number to start off with. Now that we have our wallet set, it's funded, we need to come to Staking Pyth Network website, which I'll be leaving a link down in the description so you know that you are at the right place. And we're simply going to select a wallet, which is going to be a Phantom wallet. It's going to detect the wallet. So let's see right here, connect. Now that we are connected, we can go ahead and close this. And for staking, so basically it says deposit and stake Pyth. Staking tokens enables you to participate in Pyth Network governance. Newly staked tokens become eligible to vote in governments at the beginning of the next epoch. Each epoch starts every Thursday and lasts 7 days. So this is staking basically on a 7 days increments, 7 days period. which is not bad. So this is not something that you have to lock your tokens up for 6 months or a year. Every 7 days, you can actually withdraw your tokens if you like. Our wallet is connected, and we can see here that I have 504 Pyth tokens in my wallet. Now I can go ahead, stake half of it, stake max, or whatever amount I want to stake. So I'm going to stake 500, click on stake. Our Phantom wallet is going to ask us to confirm this transaction, staking 500 Pyth Network token, and it's going to take the fee out of the SOL. So this 500 Pyth token is being taken away from your Solana wallet into the staking Pyth Network platform. I'm simply clicking on confirm that I am confirming this transaction, and it will take a little bit, and we will be in queue for the next epoch to participate in. We can see up here that I have staked 500 Pyth tokens, and that is pretty much it, guys. Now, if you like to unlock your tokens or on stake, you can click on stake. Just remember, every 7 days, you can unstake your tokens. Now, with that being said, you can come up here to governments. Once you're on governments, you can come up here, connect your wallet, and basically down here, you can see all the proposals in the governments that you can vote for. We do not have any proposals as of right now to vote on, because as we can see here, there are a lot of proposals that people already completed and voted on. By voting on these proposals, you're staking your Pyth Network tokens and you're interacting with this governance by voting. And basically that gives you the history to qualify for the potential airdrop that Pyth is going to issue in the upcoming months. If you're into crypto and you're willing to put a little bit of time and effort into these airdrops, go ahead and visit this website and go through the ones that do not require any capital in order to participate. There are a lot of airdrops to pick from. Go ahead and participate in these airdrops and see where it takes you, right? All of these airdrops could be a nothing burger, or they can absolutely blow up as we've seen in the past. Well, if you're wondering which ones to participate in without having any funds, you can always come to my channel. I did so many videos on airdrops that are absolutely free to perform. With that being said, that's all for this video. I would appreciate if you would like the content and subscribe to my channel, as it will help the channel out, and I always do these kind of videos to help as many people as I can.